Hello guys, it's nice having you here. I am Happiness Emeka. I'm so happy to have you here. You're highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an ebook using your Canva with your smartphone. The last video, I showed you how you can create and format your ebook with Google Doc. Alright, so the link to that video is on the description of this video. You can go ahead and watch it and also learn. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be walking you through on how you can create your ebook using Canva. So this is the Canva interface. So go to your Play Store, install Canva if you don't have Canva on your phone. So this is the Canva interface. After you would have installed it and open it, it's going to be like this. Just sign in with your with your email. All right, so come over here to Canva, then click on this place here, then click on it. Once you click on it here, come over there and search book cover. Come over there and search book cover, then click on search. All right, so click on search. Different templates is going to appear here for you to choose any one that you would like to use. And I forget to tell you, there is a reason why we are using book cover. Remember, we are creating an ebook. So but what I type here is book cover. The reason why we type book cover, or you can type ebook cover, is because book cover or ebook cover, or the cover, they are the same size with the main ebook. So the paper inside is not going to be smaller. All of them are the same size. So that's the reason why we are using book cover. So come over here and type book cover. You can see have 4,520 templates. So there are as many templates here that you can make use of depending on your choice and your category. All right, so you can select. But if you don't want any of these templates, you can go ahead and create your own design. If you're a designer, if you have a wonderful design on your head that you want to create, you can go ahead and create it. Start from there. Okay, so let's click on this and create blank. Let me show you what I mean. So allow it to load. All right, so as you can see, this is the full page here. This is the size. It has opened, but it has not loaded fully. Let's wait a little. All right, so it has loaded now. So what we need to do is to start with our design. So depending on the design that you want, you click on this plus sign. Different design will come up. Click on element and start doing your design. All right, but here, for the sake of this video, I'm not going to create any design of my choice. I'm going to choose a template from here. And mind you, we have this thing here. There are some templates that you cannot make use of. The ones with PRO, this red crown here, yellow crown, please. Those ones are paid version. Those ones are pro. Before you make use of them, that means you have to pay Canva. You have to make sure that you are using Canva Pro. All right, but I'm not using Canva Pro. What I'm using is Canva, free Canva. So what I will do is let me choose for any free template here that I can make use of. Let me choose any free template. All right, so let me choose the first one. This the art of strategic innovation. So let me make use of this one. So what I will do here is come over here and change this title and the subtitle, the name and the image, the colors if I want. But if I don't want, maybe I love it this way, I can make use of it. All right, so let me just change it. So and another thing is before you start writing your ebook, designing your ebook, either on Canva or Google Store, Google Doc, anywhere, any app that you want to use to create your ebook, make sure that your ebook have already been written and kept somewhere, because it make your work so faster. So writing it here, maybe it will delay you a little. So I have written my work. My work is somewhere on my writer, so you can use your writer. Every phone comes with writer, or use Google Doc to write. And sometimes I do make use of Google Doc. So let me come over to my writer. Here is my writer. This is my work. I've written it already and is intact. So what I will do is I'll start copying. All right, so this is my heading and my title: how to control your feeling, professional aid to recognizing and managing your emotion. So what I will do is come over here, how to control your feeling. So I will start changing this one. I'll start from the first one. How to control. Okay, how to, let me use this one. Is going to be how to. The second one is going to be control. Then the last one is going to be your feeling. Okay, so this is how it's going to be. All right, so if I want to change this color, if I feel like changing it color, I can as well. Gosh, oh, sorry, we are going to go back. I don't know when I click go back. Let me go home. That work should be at home. All right, let me go home. I'm sorry. All right, the work is going to be okay. I think is the first one here. Is the first one. All right, so here, this is the work here: how to control your feeling. So if I want to change, let me say I want to change this in color. I want to change the color of this this. I don't want it this way. Maybe I want to put it red. I can put it red, change it to red, so that it will not be like I copy the color from Canva. It's not be like I copied them Canva work, then change all of them. All right, so this is it here. So I can decide to change it this way, let it be like this. Then now come over here to my title. Please, subtitle. So I need to change this. I have my subtitle here: functional aid to recognizing, and I didn't put and here. All right, so what I will do is come over here and copy all of them. Come over here, then copy, then come here and then paste. Now I want to, then gosh, what is this thing doing? Okay, edit, then come over here and paste. So this is it here. So this is my work. This is my subtitle here. This is my subtitle. If I want to give this in another a little bit design, I come over here to elements. And I choose black. Let me choose square. Okay, this is square shape. I choose square shape. So come over here and choose this square shape. Let me shift this a little bit, so as this square shape we position well. Come over here and choose this, so that, let me give it a little bit, then change this to white. So hope you are understanding what I'm doing. Change it to white, then make it bold. Okay, so I can decide to do it this way. Let me do this thing. Okay, so I can decide to do it this way. All right, so this is it here. So I'm not giving it my own design. All right, so I'm not giving this in my own design. So I can decide to change this thing, come over here to this, change it to, if I have any image of my choice, if I have any image, I can come and change the image. But if I don't have, if I still want to make use of this, I just leave it like this. I just leave it like this. So the next thing that I need to do is I'm through with this. I'm through with the my ebook cover. So the next thing is start adding page. I need to start adding page. So what I will do here is come over here to this place. You come over here and click this place, so you can see this plus sign. You click on plus sign, another page will add. All right, so this page now is going to be depending on what you are creating, the type of ebook you are creating, and the reason why you are creating it. All right, maybe you're writing a story, or you are writing a non-fictional book, depending. So the next page, like some people, they will like their title of the book and the subtitle and the name of the person that write the book to be on the next page. I forgot I forget to change this person's name. Let me put my name here. Happiness Emeka. So here, so this is it here. So here I need to go back. So what I will do now, let me copy all of these text. Select multiple. Let me copy all of them. Copy. Then I've selected it. Then come over here to my next page. For me, whenever I'm writing, I would love my next page to have the same, to carry the same thing with my, I would love my next page to bear, I didn't copy the other one. I always love my please, I'm coming, my next page to have my title. All right, I always love my next page to have the title of my book and the subtitle. All right, so this is it here, depending on the way you want your own to be. All right, so the next thing is to add another page. And there is still another thing that I would love to show you here is page number. So what I will do, for me to add my page number, because normally my page number will start from this first page. So what I will do here is come over here to this plus, select this square shape. Select this square shape, then bring it down, bring the square shape down, draw it down, depending on where you want. Some people, while designing, they will like their page number to be at the top. So if you want your page number to be down, anywhere you want your page number to be, then give it a color, then give it a black color. Then when you give it a black color, still come over here to plus sign, go to text, then add heading or subheading. Let me use add subheading, because what we want is page number. Then draw it down, carry this page number down here. You can't see it too because it is white. Let me carry this in up. Okay, look at it here. Let me change the color. Let me change the color to white. Then draw this down. Fine. So draw this down a little bit, so you can see it here. So this is our first page, our first page here. So this is our first page here. So what I will do is still come over here. Don't like the size of this. I need to, let me increase the size a little. Okay, so what I will do is see, come over here. So the next thing here is for me to add another page, but I'm not going to add any other page. So what I will do is to do duplicate. I'm going to duplicate this thing. The reason why I'm doing this thing is because of the page number. I've already designed where my page number will be, so I'm not going to start afresh to be designing each page I've designed and add page number. It's going to look different, especially both the font and everything is going to look different. So what I will do is to click on duplicate, which I'm going to do now. You can see I have duplicated. So the next thing to do is to click these 2 times and it will open. So I will start deleting these text because I don't need them again. They are already there in my first page. So this next page is going to carry my table of contents. If you want your dedication, just like I said earlier, depending on what you are, the type of ebook that you are creating and where you want to position each of your content. Some people write table of content first, then after table of content they will now write dedication, introduction and forward, all the rest, all of these things, and also copyright page. So your page, make sure that your page have all of these depending on the kind of book excuse me, the type of book that you are creating. So this is going to be my table of content book. So for me to create my table of content, there are 2 ways to create your table of content. Here on Canva have already made template for table of content. So let me show you what I mean. Just go click here, click on this place, click this place. When you click that place, let's go back. Let me show you what I mean. Click home. Let me show you what I mean. You go home. All right, so you search table of contents. You search table of contents. So the different templates on table of contents that Canva have are going to appear here. Then you can select any of your choice. All right, you can select any one that you want. Let's wait for it to load. Seems the network is holding it a little bit. Okay, so here it is. So you can see, so these are the different types of table of content that Canva have here. So what I used to do sometimes is to open any one that I want, depending on the one I want, assuming that I want this one. Let me show you what I mean. Let's take and assume that I need this table of contents, and sometimes if I try copying it, I'm carrying it from here to the other page. Sometimes it's not allowing me. Sometimes I would like to copy all of these text. I would like to carry all of these text to my work, but it does not allow. So what I used to do is design it here. Do you understand? What I used to do is start designing. I will start designing my table of contents, changing the letters, changing the words here, and putting my own content. Then after that, I will save. After I save it, I'll save it as a JPEG. Then I'll come over. Maybe after I save it as like that, then I'll come over. But I go back to my work, go home. Okay, I would have selected the work directly immediately there. Then come over here to my work and paste it as picture. All right, these are different ways that you can use to do it here on Canva. Do you understand? So, or if I don't want to make use of that one, I design my own table of content. All right, so because of this video, I'm going to design it. So what I will do, click on this plus sign, then come over here to text. You can see text, then click on add heading. Then table of content. Yes, I want all of them. Table of. All right, so this is my table of contents here. I have, let me reduce it a little. So what I will do is change the font. Another thing is to change the font. Let me change the font. Then choose any fonts of your choice. Choose any for car. Okay, let me use Alice. I love making use of this Alice sometimes, so I'll choose Alice. All right, then remember to change this page number. Remember to change it. Let me zoom it a little so that I can click on it. So this page number, this is page 2. All right, so I didn't tell you that you can still change the font of this page number. So this is my table of contents. You can decide to take this anywhere, design it the way you know that can be good. I need to take it down a little. All right, so now the next thing is depending on my content, what comes first: my dedication, introduction, forward, copyright, and all the rest. But let's start with introduction. Come over here to plus sign, go to add subheading, introduction. Let me write my introduction. Okay, after my introduction, I click enter. Then the topic in my book, building emotional intelligence, understand both negative and positive emotion. Okay, so I've written building emotional introduction. The first one, the second, my first chapter there should be building emotional intelligence. Building emotional intelligence. Okay, so this thing, sometimes Canva used to do this kind of thing. Building emotional intelligence. Then the other one, understanding both negative and positive emotion. All right, so let's take it this way. Let's just take only this three. Let's take only this three. All right. All right, let me put it back. Sometimes this is what we experience while using our mobile phone. Understand both negative and positive emotion. All right, so this is it here. God, this is not entry, please, I'm sorry. Oh my God. Okay, let me pause this video and type it. Right, let me continue. Both negative and Understand both negative and positive emotion. All right, so this is it here. So the next thing that you have to do is come over here to this B format, bring all of them to right alignment, bring them to right alignment. All right, then come over here and no, bring them a little bit, because this is so that all of them will be, because this is we are going to give them, okay, if you still want to give them number, if you want to give them number, you give them number like this. All right, if you want to give them number, you give them number. So this is it here, our table of contents. So the next thing that you need to do is okay, you in your own book you can have as many table of contents as you want. All right, so the next thing that we need to do is go back and add page, duplicate this page, then do duplicate. I can duplicate as many. Then the first page there is my introduction, then delete this, delete, then introduction, my introduction, I write introduction. This is going to be my introduction page. Then change each font, then change it font. All right, look for a good font and give it a better font. All right, then let me go and bring my right up. So this is my introduction here. So this is my introduction. Let me copy only this, copy, then bring it here, come over here to add text, then paste. So this is it here. So this is my work here. So what I will do is, so this is my work. So what I will do is to minimize it a little. Okay, so this is it here. So bring it here, then come over here to this format, this format, do it justify it so that it will fit the whole body. I love using justify. All right, I love using justify. Okay, so this is it here. Let it be at the center. All right, so this is my introduction. So now you can come over here and add your font. You can change it font depending on the type of font that you want to make use of. Depending on the type of font that you want to make use of, you can change the font here. Okay, so this is it for my introduction. So I can decide to duplicate it, do the same thing in your first page, second page, till the end of your work. All right, so this is how to create an ebook. Okay, so now in this my first page. I forget to change it. This is page 3, the page number. This is the page 3. This is the page 3 here. This is the page 3. So that is it. So the last page is what I'm going to show you here. The last page. So let's take this as the last page. Though this can be at the end of your book. Maybe you are writing an ebook that you want to give out, a free ebook that you want to use to tell people about you. Is a giveaway. After people reading the book, you still want them to connect you or meet you on WhatsApp, on YouTube or Facebook. So assuming now that you want to put link that people can use to connect you, at the end of your book, at the by the last page of your book, you can come and tell about yourself. You can come and talk about yourself. This place can be a page about me page. So this page now, it can just tell people who you are, what you do. Then after that, you can tell them to connect you or meet you anywhere. So how do you do that? Let me show you something. Click this plus sign. Okay, once you click on this plus sign, come to element. If you come to element, come to this search bar. Let's search YouTube icon. Let's search YouTube icon here. All right, okay, this is YouTube icon. You see these first ones, all of them come with all of them are pro. Okay, we still have the one that is not pro version. You see this one, so let's select this one. All right, so this is YouTube version, YouTube icon. All right, let me say that I want people to meet you on your YouTube channel. Or we have, let's start for Facebook icon as well. Let's search for Facebook icon. Facebook icon. Okay, so this is Facebook here. So select any of them. Okay, so still bring it here. So you want people to, this is how you are going to do it, both your Instagram, your WhatsApp, your Twitter, depending. Now that maybe you want people to meet you, connect you on Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube or anywhere. So what you need to do is click here on this icon, then click it. Once you click on this icon, you can see this place that have link. Click on this link. You can see this place, enter a link or search. Let me enter my link, my YouTube link here. Then this is my YouTube link here. Then copy, come over here, and this is the place I'll have to enter the link. Paste, then enter. It has entered, link added. All right, so now when someone click, after creating my book, when someone click on this, you can see the link. It will direct the person straight directly to my YouTube channel. If I add my WhatsApp and also add my WhatsApp link, once someone click on that WhatsApp, it will direct it to my WhatsApp. Then at the end of my work, so this is my work here, this is my work, you can see. All right, so at the end of my work, the next thing that I need to do is come over here to this very place. All right, and click on this very place, then click on download. You click on download. All right, then this PDF standard, no, select PDF print. You select this PDF print and do what? This PDF print, select it and click on download. Your work will download automatically. All right, then but after you download finish, remember your first page, that is your cover page. This is the page that you use to either you mock it up, turn it to 3D, and this is the same particular cover that you will show to people, so that they will, to as in you show for them to see your book. So what you need to save that one separate. So what you will do is this place that you see all pages, this place that you see all pages. Okay, no, first of all, come over here to PDF print, click on it. You click on it, then select PNG. Once you select PNG, you come over here to all pages, then uncheck all of them, then select only page 1. Select only page 1, then write done, the selected page. Okay, then excuse me, let me go back. Okay, let's be on this page 1. Okay, this is the first page. You go back to download, then click on download, go back to png, then select, uncheck all of them, then select the page 1, that is the current page, then click on done. Then immediately you click on download, it will start download, and this one will download as png. All right, then the other one, the previous one, the first one that you download, the whole book, it will download as pdf. So this is how to create your ebook on Canva using your smartphone. If you find this video valuable, please click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell. All right, give this video a thumb up so that you turn up your notification bell, so that anytime I drop a valuable video like this, because I always drop it every week, YouTube will keep on notifying you. All right, and if you still have any question or confusion, my DM is open for you. Just get through me. My link is there, my WhatsApp link is there under the description of this video. Get through me and I'll be open to answer any of your questions. And I love you. See you in my next video.